Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Lightroom Mobile. Lightroom Mobile application is an Android application which is very powerful and a very pretty good raw editor. So you can use Lightroom Mobile to process your raw files, which you can shoot, by the way, using your mobile camera of many of your mobile phones. Raw footage or raw pictures which has all the details in it, which you can edit very easily using Lightroom Mobile. Lightroom Mobile is the mobile version of the very popular raw processing software Lightroom by Adobe. So I'm going to show you how you can use Lightroom Mobile in a very efficient way to convert an ordinary looking photograph into a beautiful dark moody one. So without any further delay, let's start the process. You can easily follow the steps that I am showing in the screen. So let's go.